Hi guys, it's Coach Tony Morgan and today's video is on a Worcester Greenstar 30 CDI. I've been called out to this boiler to look at this fault, and you can see the fault code EA on the front of the boiler flashing. So just going to investigate what that problem is, and also we're going to look at a problem about losing pressure, because the customer said that as well. He's been losing pressure. So the two areas we're going to look at is the EA and losing pressure. Obviously you can see the case has already been removed, and in previous videos you'll see how it's done. It's quite simple. There's usually a screw there that was all been removed by someone else, and one there has a clip on the top which you remove, just release, and then you can get into the boiler. Now on these particular Worcesters, you can see it's got this square type heat exchanger, rectangular shape. Now on this particular boiler you can see the spark electrode here. Now if you can see for ones like this what's got the window in, that means it's the early version, and it's a good chance they're going to need replacing. So I'm going to inspect them spark electrodes and see what they look like. So to get into the spark electrodes, it's just removing them two screws there, and then this assembly will come out. You can see the spark electrode, how it's burnt away. The flame sensing electrode is disintegrated. You can see the spark gap, it's quite huge, so that's never going to light. So that wants replacing. The EA fault, that will definitely be caused by the spark electrode. Now just going to look at the pressure problem. So when I arrived here, the pressure was on about 2, and it's now dropping, going lower. Now prior to me coming here, I spoke to the customer. I always do my diagnostic calls. Guys who know I am know what I do. My diagnostics over the phone is excellent. So anyway, I've done the conversation what I normally do, and what I found is that they've checked the PRV, no water coming out of there, checked the radiators, no coming out of the radiators. So I said to him, could be a problem with the main heat exchanger. So that's where I'm looking at. So what I noticed, I can hear water like gurgitating. The boiler switched off, but yet I can hear noise. So what I did, I looked at the condense trap. There it is there. I looked where it terminates, and it's here. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to look at this pipe, because no water should be coming out of this because the boiler's off. And you can see bits of water. You can see it there. I don't want to take it right out because I don't want going all over the place. But you can hear it. So basically, what's happening, you can see that. As I said, not taking it right out, but you can see the water dripping. So what's happening now, the system basically is bleeding to death. The main heat exchanger is gone. Water's going into the condense line, going into the trap, and the trap is then discharging the water, what's going out of the primary system. Hence, this is why the customer's losing pressure. And that means the main heat exchanger is gone. Water's going straight into the sump from out here, in here. So basically that's gone. So if you come across this problem, this is what it is. The main heat exchanger is gone. It's got a little pinhole in the casting. Hence, looking probably at a new boiler. So that's going to be it on this short video on this Worcester Greenstar 30 CDI on the EA fault. So if you've got any questions, drop us a comment. I'd love to hear from you. So that's it from me, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.